great. As you know, not really a meat fan, but I haven't done this like 2 years since I really stopped and slowed down on that meat shit. Um, I'm gonna show you how I make my signature steaks. So I like it tender and soft, and with flavor and moist, not no fucking dry, tough shit. Anyway, so I'm gonna disinfect this with lime, season it up, put it in the foil, and slow cook it on a charcoal grill. I'm cooking with this is ribeye steak, and so I'm gonna cut up some cut up the rest of these peppers, some onion, garlic, A1 steak sauce, lime, black pepper, onion powder, beef flavor seasoning, and a little bit of disinfectant. Alright, so I'm gonna get a little bit of this. You don't have to use this. This is just for me. If you wanna know, it's a Monte Alabama. You can even try this with some Henny. Probably gonna be a lot of cross. Alright, so now I got it moist. I'm gonna cut up some lime. Grill on this shit. It's gonna add a lot of flavor, or create that chemical reaction, and it's gonna disinfect it. So I use the first half, the lime on one side, and then I'm gonna flip it over. Once it's done seasoning this side, it's the same. The first thing I'm gonna put is some beef seasoning. And some black pepper. You probably use lemon pepper to get it a little more extra flavor in there. And some onion powder. So now I'm gonna flip it over and do the same. That's just already covered this side with a little bit of alcohol. I'll put some lime on it. The other half of the lime on this side. Some black pepper. Or lemon pepper, probably a little bit better. Just a little bit of adobo. A little bit of beef seasoning. And rub it in. Now let's cut those up. Just get it like that. Put it off to the side. And get cut it down like always. The one in the jar is probably better. But just like you want to put some country butter on here, a little bit better flavor on it. So I'm gonna flip it. Add it to the steak. Oh, I forgot one more thing before I do that. You want in there. Okay, put the rest of the veggies on. Wrap it up. And put it on the grill.
Saucing on me. Yeah, I wish you could smell this shit. Yeah. Good as flipping. It smell good as fuck. Please tell me why y'all was in. Why y'all was in. Please tell me why y'all was in. Please tell me why y'all was in.
Classic mashed potatoes. Anybody making the mashed potatoes like me? Watch how I do it. Please tell me why y'all was in. We gotta get that country crock, butter original. It won't taste the same without that. Any other butter. I put some butter in there. Usually I put some butter with some garlic powder, but I can't find none. The garlic powder makes a big difference. So this is gonna be plain for now until I go out and get some garlic powder. But yeah, put a little bit of salt in that. Mash it up. Please tell me why y'all was saying. Why y'all was saying. Please tell me why y'all was saying. Please tell me why y'all was saying. Why y'all was saying. Why y'all was saying. Alright, that's it. Just have some garlic powder, a little bit of garlic powder in that. And test it, taste it. We'll add the salt if necessary. And we're done. I put more butter. I don't really need that milk. If you want to put milk, you put a little bit of canned milk in there. Mix it a little bit creamy. I don't want to put no whole milk or no 1% milk. It don't taste the same. That's my opinion. But anyway, that's the mashed potatoes. So the mashed potatoes. Some steamed broccoli. It's good to add some butter, a big scoop of butter with a little bit of salt to the steamed broccoli with some good flavor. This is some freaking corn. And then the best thing, the main course. Tender, mouth-watering, juicy steak right there.
It's in the Bible.
Just flakes. It's nice and soft with some A1 sauce. And you can't tell. Yeah. So the mashed potato. Some steamed broccoli. It's good to add some butter, a big scoop of butter with a little bit of salt to the steamed broccoli with some good flavor. This is some freaking corn. And then the best thing, the main course, that tender, mouth-watering, juicy steak right there.
It's in the Bible.
Just flakes. nice and soft with some A1 sauce. Maybe you can't tell. Yeah. The final result. It tastes a lot better than it looked.